Big up, big up, big up, big up, big up, Johnny. Boy, one more. Big up, big up. You don't want some people get in me. Big up, Johnny. Lion. Big up, big up, big up. Bless it. Take it down, take it down. Hold on there. When you know, say everybody have to have a little daddy night business. Big up my daddy night house, you understand me? You have a fish and you. Want me to be here? Oh, the big man married now, you know. So anybody will try running, it can't work. So you say all who try running, it can't work. Mr. Bailey, congratulations. You understand me? Everybody on a private thing, because we see it on Facebook. Suck out tongue. Why? Big up yourself. June, you did at the wedding? You did at the wedding? You was at the wedding? Hey, let me tell you something. You see when you have wedding, you must have good singer wedding. But anyway, my virgin married and big up yourself. Papa, Admiral Bailey, yeah, Glendon Bailey. One of them need to marry now. Yeah. Yeah, I understand me. And the ladies they were sleeping for night and said, Big Bailey, look good, you know, you're one of the best man, them looks at the boy, I tell you, can't get the tank for now. Because I never seen man, close fit man, some of them man a big belly, mash up the clothes looking. But anyway, when you have a wedding, you need an artist that is very capable of dealing with the situation. So the man decides, he want to the thing first, so we're not running around now. Ladies and gentlemen, this singer is one of the baddest singers in the island. And you have another baddest singer in the island. So two great singers under one roof tonight. The younger of the rest. This is no ordinary singer. Him say man somewhere for go. Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to put your hands together and welcome to center stage. A young artist in his own rights. This is one of the artists that make me know say, yeah, Big Bailey, come we are going to fire and bag of things. Ladies and gentlemen, all the ladies, I want to hear you scream. This is no ghost hour. This is no fairy tale. This is no nightmare. Welcome to center stage. The singing, Duppy, Mr. Carlton, Hilton is not a name, but we Jamaican, over decades, known as the singing Duppy. Let the young ladies scream. All folks, welcome to center stage. Outside of Kingston, Jamaica. Go! Ladies. Mr. Manager, put some volume on this mic, put some reverb, put some echo, so my ladies can hear me. Wow. Mr. Music, play. Go swing.
skin. I saw the angel, I never sure. She smiled at me on the sun. She was with another man. I won't lose this, won't sleep on it, 'cause I got it up on my lady. You're beautiful, and you're beautiful, lady. You're beautiful. Don't pay no mind. I think I take a chance to race with them, so you know? And they're bad bands. You hear them up here? Sure. You ready to give a back? This one. And I never, ever, never. I want them to remember the one here. You think I leave this side, baby? As I said before, first one, baby, stay gentle. And I never, ever, and never gonna let you. This time, give me this time. You think I leave your side, baby? You want me better than that. Think I'll get down when you're down and you're pretty wise. I'll take you when you're right when you walk. And if only you can see it so bad. My baby, oh no ladies, when you call, I'll be there, hold you soon. When you're lost, I can't get in. I will show you, you're so much more. When you're lost and you're alone, you can't get back again. I will find you, darling, I'll bring you home. And if you wanna cry, close this ear to try your eyes. No, 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 and it goes stop. You think I'll leave your side, baby? You want me better than that. Oh, when you're down on your knees. Goes through that. I'll tell you when you're watching you walk. And if only you could sing it to my baby, my baby. I did not get to rehearse in the box. You know listen again? Me never get to rehearse in the box. So whatever mistake you hear, rock it on it. Yes. So Mr. Music. Break it down. And then my baby sing. Take it down some more. Thank you so much. I didn't know because it's the first time here, and the way this lady's going on. When I look at you right now, you know what you're doing to me, Mr. Music. If our love was a fairy tale, I would be the man that compares to you. All we think of me was good, so you would, I don't think you see eye. And if you had baby, they could look like you'd be so beautiful if that's you. You don't even know that was special. Can't believe it now. Can I hear my babies? You need me. You everything good in my life. Leave me back. I still can't believe it's your mind. You just walk out and wanna ride. So leave it for you, leaving me. And then very first speech, now let's chapter with the above. And if we had babies, then we'd have your eyes. All the poor people watching you get blind. You don't even know very special you are. Oh, my baby, leave me back. With everything I in my life. Leave me back. Still can't believe it's over. You just walk out and wanna. So leave it. Let me get a bridge. You must have been in from heaven to earth to change man. Things that I feel stronger than I believe in them. Are you the only I only deserve what you give me? But all I can do is try. Everything in my life. we are man. And sometimes, you know, because we are man that go like we don't want to apologize. But me, listen to me. Me never apologize. Me apologize. Listen to me. It's when me go at night time I'm just sitting just me alone on the bed. You don't need to. You don't need to do. So look what I said. Same thing, but it's weird just a little bit bigger now. I love to do it with the females. So you see, any lovers here tonight, don't come taking photos and pictures. Which is right after you leave here. You should take your female, and female you should take your man. And you go someplace that's He's there with four walls, looking at you. Oh no! Are you looking at his eye? You look at her eyes. And you make passionate love and you tell her this. These walls keep a secret. It's only we know. And all our and they keep it. Cause we do lose control. We do shadow. She's boyfriend. We can't do it. What do we do? We do it. Something like this. These walls keep a secret. Only we know. And oh no, and they keep it. Cause we do lose control. We do shadow, chasing the rainbow. Behind those windows, behind, can I get my name? And then we'll walk you. Ooh, ever see I want you more? They would, yeah, never feel it. And then you will always, the one part, no, break it down. Some people making memories so good today. In these arms, never. When we're alive, where we do shadow behind those windows. Can I get my woman? Really woman? Ooh, never say I want you more. They would, yeah, yeah. And then you will always go one part, and it go always still love. They would, I'm the next, and with every movement, I love it. Whoa. You feel like changing? You feel like changing vibe? Don't do no people, don't want to change your vibe a little bit. Actually, I'm an artist, I'm going for something, man. Pinch and say I don't want to. Yeah, so, yeah, what you do? Can we get a tempo up a little bit for me, please? Mr. Music, so we can make the people have more joy. You ready, Mr. Music? Ready now? Ladies and gentlemen, watch it. Give it fast. 1, 2, 3, 4. me enough. All the police stop, jump in the water, go! Alright, you give me enough. Go for it! Get up, Bradley!
Big up Jungle Piper. Big up the boss right here. Thank you for your welcome, Mr. Frank. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, you want a few more ghosts? Thank you so much. Come on, come on, this. No, come on. Yes. Come here. Where are they? You know, any female that wish me you were there, like how me there, you know what I take on up? East side and the west side. You know it's never what I take on up? After the gate, where we reach now, where we wanna go, nobody wanna know, so fuck up the ladies. The next. Next, to the venue. Radio's night could never be a girl's night. What do you want to never get to right? The first night could never. Ladies, you get to all and watch them on front line. You want to them. Remember that one, I like it. I want them to remember that one. Which one? Do you remember? When you were young,